Hi, this is CJ Wells, property manager. You know, I get a lot of questions from investors and landlords who are managing their own property. And they want to know if, as a property manager, I can take care of their property to make sure that it's well repaired, and especially that roof and gutters. That's the top priority of properties. And that's what I look at first when I take on a new client to manage their property. So when a landlord asks me, do I have the team behind me to make these things happen? I say, absolutely, and I want you to meet one of those today. And his name is Kyle, and he is from
Gen3 Roofing.
Gen3 Roofing. And here he is. Kyle, say hi to everybody.
How you doing?
Yeah, it's
Kyle
good to have you.
with Gen3 Roofing.
Right, so what are you going to show us today?
So today we're going to go over a couple of different shingles that we like to use. Class 4 shingles. We upgrade everybody on insurance claims to Class 4 shingles to lower insurance premiums and provide a better service. So.
Outstanding.
Perfect.
Okay, well then we're going to be walking around this this typical rental property we have here, and we'll be going up on the roof and just looking around to see how well we have taken care of this property and the previous repairs, and Kyle will be giving his expert opinion. So this is CJ. We'll be chatting with you later. Thanks, bye.